Hi guys, welcome to another video by TechSubs.
Hopefully, this tech step will be your introduction to using machine learning models on iOS if you are an iOS developer. So Purna, in your opinion, what should they first look into?
Oh, I think they should look into CoML first, Shamil. CoML is the machine learning framework maintained by Apple, like TensorFlow by Google or PyTorch by Facebook. Get the best hardware optimized and advanced performance on an iOS device. With a machine learning model, it's best to use CoML.
So, you mentioned TensorFlow. Doesn't TensorFlow have a similar product for iOS?
Well, you can use TensorFlow Lite on iOS, but most TF-Lite models are known to use more resources like RAM while delivering worse performance compared to CoML counterparts. Also, CoML generally supports more types of layers, or one could say operators, than TF-Lite.
So, what do you think is the easiest way to find a usable CoML model?
Apple developer website has some models if your requirement is common, like image classification or object detection. I think we can put the link in the description. Now, those models are optimized and well trained, but you cannot customize the model structure easily if they don't exactly satisfy your requirements.
What if someone wants to train a model with their own data, but they don't want to code?
Well, they can use CreateML. It's a GUI tool that comes with Xcode. It's extremely easy to use, but again, you cannot customize the models. And you may have to do some data pre-processing prior to training. Also, CreateML is only available for macOS since it comes with Xcode.
Let's say someone is comfortable with coding and they have already developed a custom machine learning model in a popular framework like TensorFlow or PyTorch. What can they do to bring that model to iOS?
They can use CoML tools Python package to convert those models to CoML model file types .ml model or .ml package. But you may not be able to convert some advanced layers or operators, mostly because they can be computationally expensive and not optimized for hardware yet. There are some workarounds. We will put a link to an article in the description if someone wants to find more details.
So, are there any other tools provided by Apple other than CoML to develop ML-based apps?
As a matter of fact, yes. If your requirement is common, you may be able to use on-device APIs like Vision and Natural Language by Apple without CoML models. You can also use MLKit by Google, but MLKit usually downloads a TF-Lite model and runs it to get the job done. Therefore, the drawbacks of TF-Lite on iOS will still be there.
Okay, we hope that now you guys have a basic understanding about how to get into using machine learning models on iOS. If you enjoyed this tech step, please like and share. If you have any suggestion, feedback or question, don't hesitate to comment.
We are planning to bring you more useful content from different tech fields in the future. So, to stay tuned, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you soon.